What's up? My name is Josh. If you just joined the channel, and this week, Sun and Fun at 2 p.m. we have an awesome drawing going on at Aircraft Specialties booth. And Jimmy's World is going to be helping out with picking the winners for first, second, and third place prize. Super awesome stuff coming up. The first place prize provided by Blaircraft. Myself, I personally purchased this 100%, and it is a Dynavibe Classic prop balancer. Super awesome equipment. I personally have a unit and have had great success. Second place prize, Genuine Aircraft Hardware, is providing a $250 gift certificate and also a big swag bag with all kinds of goodies. Third place prize, Aircraft Specialties, is providing 2 quarts of the Cam Guard oil additive, which I personally use. I think is awesome stuff. So check that out. So it's very simple to sign up, absolutely no cost. Honestly, I'm just asking for you to join the channel monthly updates. You can follow along what's going on. There's honestly some sweet projects coming up, and also the current runway extension. I'm building a private runway a half a mile in my backyard, ripping and tearing trees, lots going on, and it's really starting to feel like something, and it feels great just walking back there right now. So lots more coming up on that. And the project next here in the back, this is the PA-16 Piper Clipper. It's getting a complete wing restoration job along with the rudder elevator, and then it's getting a firewall forward completely redone. Looking at some pretty awesome opportunities for prop options, and the firewall is going stainless steel polished, amazing work of art. I'm super excited to start that. So that'll be coming up very soon in parallel with the runway. So love for have you join, and best of luck in the drawing. And until next time, be safe and be blessed. I will see you in the next one. Later.